Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make a bangle with Chime. You will need small size square papers, black and white sketch pens, scissors, threads and 6 bangles. Start by making a butterfly which looks like this. First fold it in half. Then same on the other side. Then fold it in a half triangle. And same on the other side. Now we'll fold the paper like this. Now we'll need a scissor to cut these edges into a curve shape. Like this. Now fold as I do. And now we'll need to make some designs with sketch pen, black colored sketch pen. Make dots on the borderline of this butterfly using white sketch pen or whitener. Now fold it like this. And fold it from the middle. And here your butterfly is ready. Now we will start by making a bird with a small sheet of square paper. Fold these two corners to the middle of the top corner. Like this, and fold it downwards like this. You'll get 3 corners like this and 2 corners downwards. Now fold this corner and join it here. Like this, and this corner exactly in the middle of this line. Like this. Now you have to fold it you have to first open this flap and fold it like this. like this, and we will do the same procedure on the other side. Okay, so we have done the same thing on both the sides. Now fold this corner and join it to this corner. And do the same on the other side. Like this. Now look at it carefully. First of all, open this corner and push the middle point inside. It will look like this. And now fold a small triangle over here like this, and same on the other side. Like this. And now open this, and now open the middle edge. Insert this part inside, and here your bird is ready. Now we have to make its eyes using a sketch pen. You will need 3 colored sketch pens, red, white and black. According to the bird's color, I am taking red sketch pen. You can also take a whitener instead of a white sketch pen. So let's start. You'll color this beak using a dark colored red sketch pen. Like this. And same on the other side. Like this. Next you will need a black sketch pen for making the bird's eye. And using a white sketch pen, we'll do some light spots inside the eye. Like this. Make a hole to insert a thread inside it. Like this. Like this. We have done this with all other birds. Now we'll tie all the bangles in this manner with a thread. I have tied all the bangles in shape, and now it's turn to tie all the birds and a butterfly. Now we'll tie this thread on the upper side of the bangle like this. Tied all the birds and this is how our chime looks like. Thanks for watching.